But on the next time that you become upset, I offer you, be nice to yourself. Be nice. N.I.C.E. Nice. Notice. Notice. Notice when you're upset. If you're not happy right now, in this moment, notice that you're not happy. Investigate in the nice part. By the way, there's handouts. I'll show you later. Investigate. What expectation did I create for this person, place, or thing? And the CE in nice, change the expectation. That's it. It's that simple. When you start understanding that all the expectations you've been creating for everybody else is just in your mind, and people are just going to be the way that they are, and that you can play from there, life changes. By the way, if you've been creating expectations for 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, 100 years, that's fine. I mean, you're educators, so you get to educate yourself. This is a different kind of thinking.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.